My Nigerian people don't bring no bonga Bishop news story. My name Nandehi. Make a sharply yarn on a story wey say it just happened. DSS don't arrest Mr. Abbas Umar Masanawa, will be the chief officer of Nigeria incentive-based risk-sharing system for agricultural lending. Say because info take join body for the corrupt case of the suspended Central Bank of Nigeria governor will be Godwin Emefiele, as DSS don't arrest him since 3 weeks ago. Can't continue the touchlight matter about him. Plenty Nigerians they don't shocktalize after where the activist lawyer wey name be Femi Falana, senior advocate of Nigeria SAN, Dokon Yan, say every year say that they illegally they carry good wey worth to reach about $9 billion take come out from inside Nigeria, and na plane now they use the car and they come out. In Yan this talk during the interview with the interview on Top Channels television.
That annually $9 billion worth of gold is illegally taken out of Nigeria through private jets.
Nigeria Customs Service Dokon Yan say they don't catch some people wey carry some male donkey gbola wey they caught to come out for inside Abakaliki, Ebonyi State, and also some dry shark fin wey cost reach about 1.23 billion naira for inside Murtala Mohammed International Airport, Ikeja, Lagos. Now they catch them where they won't carry and take enter inside China and also on Congo. And now August 17, 2023, now constant people they come out come hear this story. The Bongan Hollywood actor wey name Yul Edochie don come show one white native who come put President Bola Ahmed Tinubu picture on top of as him come write say make Nigerians say make they relax, say because Jagaban go fix Nigeria. And now today on Saturday, August 19, 2023, now him post this picture on top of Instagram as him come write say him na Asiwaju boy and he not get to apologize to anybody. One Nigerian man wey name Ibrahim Suleiman don come dey talk say one man wey block am for WhatsApp say because two of them they argue who to vote for during the presidency for 2023 general election. As him come talk say the man don come use his hand take unblock am, come dey beg am for help, say because he need some money because the suffering for inside Nigeria not too much for am. The Niger State governor wey be Governor Umar Mohammed don come dey beg Nigerian army say make dem not take military action against the Niger State Umila bandit terrorists. Dem say because he go like negotiate with the bandit them for inside the Niger State. Say because inside Niger State now they get the highest Fulani herdsmen there for inside the whole world. And he yarn this talk after way Umila bandit terrorists them fight over 30 soldiers them for inside Niger State. We make army they come dey provoke. Say they go use military force to clear out all those bandits them for inside Niger State.
As a government, we have put in machineries to start talking to the bandits. You need to understand that Niger State has the largest congregation in the world of Fulani headsmen.
Plateau State Calabar Police Command don talk say they don arrest 24-year-old Fulani headsman wey name be Abdulrahman Kaila. Say because he cut off one farmer hand to take comot for inside Shendam local government area of Southern Plateau State. And on Thursday, August 17, 2023, 9 police come out come yarn this talk. The Happy Boys don go accuse the OPM pastor who be Apostle Chibuzo Chinyere gift to say because he forced Nakpekus of 14-year-old girl as they come yarn saying they use money they take press the family of the girls their neck so they no go fit come out come talk or all the bad things wey be say in they do. As they come play this video as evidence where Apostle Chibuzo Chinyere they talk with the 14-year-old girl.
I can decide if the scandal becomes too much. I can come out in the public, come to the altar, kneel down and cry and say,
who will the shame go
to? My members, I'm sorry. Yes, I did this and I've asked God to
forgive me.
Who
will the shame go to?
Hundreds of former Boko Haram terrorists, the way they talk say they don't repent. They don't go block the Bulukutu Medugri highway. Say because federal government not agree pay them the 30,000 naira. And now yesterday on Friday, August 18, 2023, now they block on they do an ugly protest for inside Borno State. The European Union will be EU on Friday, August 18, 2023, don come donate 20 nautical platform Congenita will be peace and security non-governmental organization to military multinational joint task force to help them for security force them for inside Nigeria. They don't catch one man on top this video where they talk say the elderly man go kidnap one woman as they come tear the man clothes, one try, one give a small beating, and this gbege happen for inside Obawale area for Nigeria, wey makes plenty Nigerians they come dey yarn say make they torchlight this matter well to make sure say this man na kidnapper.
He's a kidnapper. He kidnapped a woman today in our area. Look at this kidnapper. He's a kidnapper.
Kwara State government don start to dey share the bags of rice palliative wey federal government give them, make dem share as they carry 1 quarter rice to take give one full community wey make plenty Nigerians dey come dey provoke say whether na this quarter rice na im go satisfy this plenty crowd wey full this community. The Omega Nigerian artist wey be Ayodeji Balogun aka Wizkid don come lost im mama, and the mama kpai early in the morning yesterday on Friday, August 18th, 2023. As plenty Nigerians come dey wish am well, say make him take heart. The Nigerian superstar wey be solid star, im brother don come out to come dey beg Nigeria and all im fans dem say make dem support dem, make dem help say because solid star wey be their brother say e no well and im get mental issues.
Hello everyone, my name is Joseph Iniezo. I am Solid Star's brother. Solid Star is really sick and battling a lot mentally.
They come see Solid Star on top this video when they waka about to come wear singlet with one joggers, come dey talk to himself on top the street. He come dey behave like person wey be like say he get small skoy. One British nurse they don find her guilty on Friday, August 18, 2023, say because she don move 7 newborn babies and even they try to move 6 other ones them for inside the hospital nautical unit where she dey work, and her name na Lucy, led by 33 years old. According to how they hear the story, say she always dey use poison they inject for the children their body where they make them they move by. One pilot don come move for inside plane when he go urinate for inside the bathroom, as then come collapse. So for inside the flight where they go from Miami, United States of America, they go Chile, and the flight carry 271 passengers them, and the captain name na Ivan Andra, 56 years old. Him be don dey feel sick 3 hours where we say they don't enter the journey to the flight they go Chile.
Yes, now Bishop News O'Clock. My name na Nehi. Make una enjoy your day.